Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Welcome to SummerCal 2026, the launch of my project number 3. So I'm taking part in SummerCal 2026, which is hosted by Rainey at the Woolly Llama. There are quite a few content creators taking part. I won't state all their names. I'll just put a list in the description below so you can check them out. The idea is you make 5 projects to qualify to go in to win a summer patch from Rainey at the Woolly Llama, and preferably 5 projects from 5 different content creators. Anyway, guys, you take photos when you've made your 5 and send it to Rainey at the Woolly Llama before sometime in September. I'm not quite sure what the date is. So I'll put a link to her launch video in the description below if I remember. We'll review project number 2 before I go to project number 3. Won't be a moment. Back again. Project number 2 was based on Australian culture, which it was a suggestion by Rainey because it's winter down under, not summer. And we were celebrating NAIDOC Week, which celebrates Indigenous culture. And I picked the rainbow serpent, which is quite a good story from their culture. And so I suggested we make a rainbow serpent. And here is mine. Ta-da! He is an amethyst python. He's made in yarn from Big W, which is a department store here. It's a blanket yarn. It's a bit finer than the Spotlight yarn. I really like it. The only problem is they only ever stock one colour. It's a big ball. I think it's like 300 grams, and I paid $18. You can buy it on special for $12 when they had the other colour. That's what I did when they have a sale. I used a 5mm crochet hook, and the pattern for the head alone was Easy Pattern Creations on Etsy 3-in-1 snake pattern. I wanted to try this head to see if he was different. His tongue is twisting wrong. I have to straighten that. The body is based on a tutorial that I have changed so much it's nothing like the tutorial. It's basically becoming my twisted body. These snakes are popular at my market. This is the first time I've used artificial eyes, so we'll have to see how he goes, because he will go up for sale at the next market. So that was my rainbow serpent. I got some great photos, and I will be doing a slideshow at the end of the SummerCal of all the people that took part in the projects I suggested, and some great comments about the rainbow serpent story. They watched the video and really enjoyed the little story about the rainbow serpent. So there you go. It definitely was worth making it project number 2. Project number 3 is based on water, and it is a water bottle holder. Why is it based on water? Several reasons. I remembered a few years ago we did, those questions go around, and one of the questions was, what wouldn't you leave home without? And I said I wouldn't leave home without water. A fellow content creator in her video didn't think that was a really worthwhile idea. She was a bit sarky and said she wouldn't leave home without her credit card so she can tap and go and just buy water. Well, if you're in the outback of Australia and your nearest tap and go point is 300 kilometres away, how are you going to buy water? Especially when water is a valuable commodity and those people price it highly. They are not going to give you free water, and you better have cash. And if there's no one in the middle of nowhere, what are you going to do? Die of thirst. That's just my little rant about why you need water. It is a valuable commodity. With AI data centers starting to be built everywhere, do people realize how much water these AI data centers will be using? It's an incredible amount. So yes, a water bottle holder. Another reason I picked it was when I'm doing market stalls, I see people trying to hold water, food, shopping. A water bottle holder is ideal. It's hanging off your hips and you've got it. I think it's great for hiking because if you make one with a pocket on the front, you can put your phone and your keys and it's hanging off you and away you go. Great for the campsite. You're not searching around for water. You've got it with you. Great for when you're crafting because you've got so much stuff around you. Having a water bottle holder hanging off you is perfect. So that's our project, a water bottle holder. Make one with me. I've got some pattern suggestions from Ravelry. I'll list in the description below. I've also been checking out a tutorial by Bag a Day, which I really like, and that'll be listed in the description below. For your water bottle holder, any color. They recommend cotton or cotton blend. Acrylic will stretch. So if you've got a lot of cotton scraps or cotton like me that you want to use, then do that. Just make it a really bright water bottle holder. I've never really seen them on sale at markets. I have seen heaps of them on sale in charity shops, so maybe they're not that popular. But that's going to be our project number 3, based on the Australian outback needing the water with you, because you can't just buy it anywhere. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you make a water bottle holder and have some fun and make this your project number 3 for the SummerCal 2026. I thank Rainey for accepting me into the group to do this, even though it's winter down here, because I find it a lot of fun. It inspires me to think beyond just market prep and other things. It gets me searching for and thinking about different ideas. I have 3 lined up, but I noticed someone else is doing it. So I'm trying to do things that other people aren't doing that relate to Down Under. Guys, let's see your water bottle holders in the photos. Send me your photo for the slideshow at the end of the SummerCal, and I hope you take part and enjoy it. Bye for now.